How cool would it be if you could take the perfect selfie without ever lifting a finger on your iPhone? I'm the CyberGuy, and you can follow me at cyberguy.com for all my tech updates. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter. Did you know you can set up Apple's voice control to take hands-free photos on your iPhone? All you have to do is say a few words and your phone's camera will snap the next selfie for you. Let me show you how to do this. First things first, let's get your voice-controlled camera up and running. Step number one, you're going to want to open up your Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and click on Accessibility. Next, look for Voice Control. It's under the Physical and Motor section and tap it. Now, toggle on the switch next to the voice control so it turns green. Before you're able to use this feature, you're going to want to make sure that you have Hey Siri set up to use the voice control feature. Don't worry, it's super simple. Head back to the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Siri and search. Then toggle on Listen for Hey Siri so that it's green. Now comes the fun part. Are you ready? Strike a pose, then say, Hey Siri, open camera. Then simply say, turn volume down or turn volume up, and your camera will capture the perfect shot for you. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you'll be taking the best selfies ever, all thanks to the power of voice control on your iPhone. Say cheese! For all the latest tech tips, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.